for years, I've been against doing this kind of colors. People, they come to me asking for bleach. I make them sign a form before I bleach their roots. Because it's not me not doing it correct, because you have no control. If I color the roots, if I bleach the roots, and it's not attached, you're gonna tell me, hey, I see spotty yellow dots. The color doesn't look good. It looks yellow, it looks orange, it looks patchy. And if I do bring it a little bit, you're gonna tell me my hair is burned. So what I do? Better not to do any of that. Because in both cases, I'm losing and you're losing. My job is not coming out perfect and your hair getting ruined. Your hair at the back is this long. It's just a matter of time. That one time it's gonna go wrong till half of your hair is gonna go to that situation. A little bit of a mess in the color, or the color gets, the bleach foams up a little bit, or the stylist is taking a little bit more time. Just need one more time to do that damage. Even if you do it clean, still there's a big risk of it. The back will reflect what could happen one day in the future. So the best healthy way to do it is, you don't do this full bleach anymore, because anyway, it's not giving you a favor in terms of the color, in terms of health, in terms of follow-up, and in terms of face features.
I'm with you. I trust you.
Yeah? Does that make any sense so far?
Makes sense. I do color 3 times, then bleaching.
The fourth time.
The 4th time, then again color, then bleaching, okay? Because I want to protect my scalp and my hair. What I would like today is if we can do a nice color, we do a nice color, but also what I need is hydration, okay? But globally, I would trust you to tell me what you would do today with this, so that it is healthier and with a nice color.
Okay. One question.
Yeah.
When you do 3 times roots coloring, then you do the 4th time bleach.
Yes.
You do it over the 3 times coloring lines.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
What you did last time?
Last time was a bleach not well done.
Okay, it was bleach but not well done. But you did it
just here.
Just there.
Yeah.
And you do it in the salon or yourself?
Yeah. No, in salon. But bleaching I do not do myself.
Okay, so in the bleaching you do it in the salon, but the roots touch up you do it yourself.
Yes. The root coloring I do myself. The bleaching I do in salon.
Okay. Now you have to keep in mind that when you do the bleaching, this is the problem with the bleaching, that even if you let your skin rest for 3 times, which is 3 months, I'm assuming, when you come back to do the bleaching, even if you have a big roots, but the problem happen at the connecting line.
Yes.
So when the bleach goes over this area, the minute it touches the previous bleached part that's done 4 months ago, this is where the breakage happened.
Okay. That would be.
It doesn't happen here.
No.
It doesn't happen at the roots. It happened exactly at the line of the connection. And the thing is, if one time your color goes really platinum blonde and looks beautiful, that's not good. People, they think this is good. That's not good, because that platinum blonde, when you try to reach the same level of it the following time, means you have to push everything to that level.
Yes.
And that level already the maximum. Means the color that's going to be spreaded over here is going to take, let's say, half an hour to lighten.
Yes.
But the minute that bleach touches this line, it needs 5 minutes to break.
Okay.
So most of the damage happen within 5 minutes, exactly at a certain line.
I understand. Yeah.
Okay. I'm not a big fan of full blonde for a reason. The health is number one, because if you ask yourself a question of why my hair is not growing, why my hair keep looking frizzy and dry and damaged, because there's all this micro damage happening non-stop over and over. The second reason is because I feel like fully bleached hair from the roots, it washes out the person. Now you have a little bit of roots, a little bit of darker color, which is framing your face. But in general, I feel like when any woman hides completely hair natural, she looks a little bit washed out because there's no contrast. You feel like everything just one color. And I'm sure you might feel that the first week when you do the bleach, but then when a little bit of roots comes out, you feel like, okay, there is something changing here, but that comes from the roots starting to grow and give you a little bit of depth. Now, what I would suggest is an option that you're not gonna like.
I don't know.
Because it looks like you've been doing this for years and you can still look blonde. But in order to get you to still looking blonde like that, but healthier, you need to start allowing some of your natural to be there.
Okay.
And the only way to do it is by shifting from doing fully bleach to doing a few highlights. We're not gonna do this today. Today we'll have something completely different. I'm gonna suggest it later.
Okay.
But the thing is, if you allow some of your natural to grow and be in between your highlight, you're not gonna see this yellow anymore. Your features will start looking more natural because you have some of your natural hair in there. Your hair texture will look better. And your maintenance will be way better because you're gonna need to touch up those highlights every 3 to 4 months. Instead of going light today, we go slightly more darker at the transition line.
Okay.
Going darker on the transition line means you see the yellow part that you told me it wasn't done well.
Yes.
So I'm gonna put a bit of grayish color here.
Okay.
That gray color here will be the transition between your dark and your platinum blonde.
Okay.
So when we finish, your dark will still be there, will not go away. The only thing that you're gonna see that instead of seeing lines and three different colors
will be softer.
will be a transition, a fading color from your dark to something grayish to your blonde.
Okay.
Now, you keep doing that for, let's say, 3 months. Every time it washes out, we do that connecting color again. Then after 3 months, when you have bigger roots, we do only few highlights on the top.
Okay.
And after that, we stop creating connecting lines. We don't need a connecting area anymore because the highlight will be now more natural and has your dark in between. So basically we're transitioning from having color that looks like this to colors that looks like this.
Okay.
The colors that now your color looks like that and it has dark blonde. When we transition to this way, you're gonna see blonde, dark, blonde, dark. It's like a highlight. When you do that, then you won't feel like you have the pressure to touch up your roots. You can let your hair grow and get healthy because you've seen what's going on at the back?
Yes.
Okay, so your hair at the back is this long. It's just a matter of time. That one time it's gonna go wrong till half of your hair is gonna go to that situation. A little bit of a mess in the color or the color the bleach foams up a little bit or the stylist is taking a little bit more time. You just need one more time to do that damage. Even if you do it clean, still there's a big risk of it. The back will reflect what could happen one day in the future. Because I think they start bleaching from the back.
Yes.
The color went lighter. And because the application of the color wasn't clean enough or the bleach foamed out, it touched the previous blonde. When it touched the previous blonde, now we have everything touched the previous blonde, it's cut off. If you take any strand, minimum half of it's gone. Minimum.
Yeah.
And it's happening everywhere at the back.
Yeah.
Now, when they reach the top, because the color here didn't lighten enough, that was actually a positive thing. Because if those roots would lighten like these, what happened at the back will happen at the top. By the time this yellow is gone, this blonde is falling out. Now some of it's fallen out, but not much. So if you don't take the decision to change your strategy with the way how you're coloring your hair, it will happen one day. Might not happen today, not tomorrow, but it will happen one day. Sorry, I'm being a bit clear with this because...
So, okay, we'll do as you say.
So what I would suggest, that I will put the transition color.
Yes.
When I finish, you're going to still see your dark.
That's fine.
I'm not changing your dark.
I understand.
All what I'm gonna do is create a transition area. We do it this time. Do you live here or you're visiting?
I live here.
You live here, okay. So you do it this time, then you do it, let's say, after a month. Then when you have bigger dark roots, we do only few highlights. Only few. Means when you lift your hair up, inside will still be dark. You stick to the same plan for a year, year and a half, all your hair will start getting healthier and longer, and all this damage will be cut off. This is, you're not gonna look as blonde as this, but doesn't matter. You're gonna have a healthy hair. Okay?
Let's do it.
Do you have any comment?
I don't have any comment. I just want to, you know, to keep my hair.
Okay. So you feel what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. Give you the breakdown of the price. If you're happy, we'll start right away. Yeah. Now, what do you see?
I see something I like.
It looks like it's your natural that's being left with without doing any color. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the transition, it's already here now. You don't see that line anymore. Your gray, it's actually helping you now to still look blonde.
Yes.
Because if this would be all dark, it will feel even the difference between your dark and the blonde is too much. But having your gray, it's actually helping us today.
Okay.
But the work was mainly to get rid of the line, which you have, create a transition from your natural to the top. And now, get Nicole closer. And look at this beautiful mix. It's a beautiful transition.
It is.
So now even if you leave it,
I like it.
I'm already can see even your features. I mean, it's the first time me seeing you or meeting you, but I can see already your face, your eyes popping out. When you came in and it's all blonde, you don't see the eyes, you don't see the features. So this is what I mean. And the more you let it grow and get more of this depth, it's gonna get better and better. That doesn't mean I will leave you dark. After 3 months, I will add only a few highlights there, and that's it. And you never know, you might tell, you know what, I like it like that, let me leave it. I'm gonna show you the back as well.
Okay.
So if you look at the crown where it was visible, there is a damage.
Yeah.
It doesn't show anymore. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because that short hair was kind of sticking out, so you could tell you have a damage. Now, it looks like, you know, everything's falling in the right place.
Yes.
There's no lines. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
I'm happy.
Approved?
Approved.
Approved. Okay, now we're gonna start doing the antifreeze treatment.
Okay.
Just to help you with the leftover damage ends, and that's it. That's all you need to do. If the hair starting to wash out in another 3-4 weeks and the blonde starting to show, then we do the same process one more time. When we do it a couple of times, the color will stop washing out, and you will maintain this transition for a good long period.
Okay.
With the help of the treatment, the hair will recover from the damage. With the reducing amount of highlight or completely stopping the bleach with only adding a few highlights, as well, no more added damage. Basically what we have done, we increased the treatment habits and we reduced completely the damaging habits. Then your hair all of a sudden is gonna start shifting from being super damaged to being super healthy. Good?
Good.
Sounds like a good plan?
Sounds like a very good plan.
Very good, very good. Okay, I'm gonna shift you back so we can start the process.
I can get up.
You can walk?
I can walk.
Okay, perfect, perfect.